Building the perfect page requires many quick changes. So to help you achieve faster page creation and editing with minimal mouse interaction, we're proud to announce the introduction of keyboard shortcuts in the Page Builder. Let's check how to use them. Access the Page Builder by editing any funnel step or website page and click the keyboard icon in the top right corner. The shortcuts are organized in a few different tabs, starting with the Essential tab for the most common actions, such as saving. To easily move across your build and select elements, check the Canvas Navigation and Selection section. The Panels and Tools section contains all settings and code-related shortcuts. To preview and add blank sections, the Funnel Management area will show you how. Lastly, you might be familiar with these shortcuts, but the Text Editing section contains all text formatting options for a quick refresher. By using keyboard shortcuts, you can increase efficiency during your creation process, reduce cognitive load, and minimize errors through precise navigation for better results across all Page Builder experiences. Keyboard shortcuts reduce repetitive actions and speed up work, especially when managing complex page structures, delivering a faster, more focused editing experience without changing how Page Builder works today. We hope you enjoy it.